Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to choose color for our logo. Most of the people don't know how to pick the right color for their logos, and still don't know which color combination is look good. This is the big problem for us, who is new in graphic design field. Make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find it in the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First, take a logo that you want to make colorful. So I take my own logo, Graphics Hunters. This is my logo. For proper color select for our logo, we need help from the website. I have given this website link in description. So, go to Chrome browser. Write, Adobe Color CC. Go to website. Then you find this type of homepage. Don't need to understand all, we just go, Accessibility Tools. Then click, Color Blind Safe, and change it, Contrast Checker. Now you can see this homepage. Where is given, text color, background color, and contrast ratio. But how to use this? Look that, if the contrast ratio is like that, that means, if you use these color, your logo is not look good. But when contrast ratio is being high mark, that means, the color is perfect for your logo. If you use this color, your design will be good. You can change the color from this like that. Supposed, you have a one favorite color, that you want to use logo, but which color is good look with your color? Let's find it. Search your favorite color on Google, like blue color. Go to Images, find your color. We can check this color. Is this contrast is good or not? Take the color code. Now paste here. Look that, if we use the blue and white color, our logo will be good. Always check the contrast. If the contrast is high, that means your logo will be more good. Let's apply the color on Graphic Hunter's logo. Copy the color code. Paste here the color code. Make the logo color white. Wow, that's great. Isn't it? Let's check again. Which color is good with blue background? I think that's good. We can apply this color on our logo. Copy the color code. Paste here the color code. Now copy the text color code. And paste on the logo. Wow, look that, this is also look good. I think, you guys all understand how to use this. Okay, don't worry, we can apply another color. Okay, go to the Chrome, and search your favorite color name. We can use this color. Copy the color code, and paste here this color. Now we check which color is good with green color. We can also take suggestion color because this are good contrast. Okay, now we use this color on our logo. See that? That's not look bad. This is how you select the good color for your logo. So thank you for your attention. I hope I helped with this video. So don't forget to comment with valuable information that you find it. Push the like button and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in another video.